The 2002 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.